We have some big news regarding the Tupac Shakur trial. Apparently, attorneys for Dwayne Keefe D. Davis are saying that they want to delay next month's trial even longer in order to investigate a little bit more to ensure that Keefe D gets a fair trial. And the reason for that is because, according to these attorneys, in a motion that was recently filed, they have identified witnesses that are able to testify that Keefe D was not at that scene in 1996. Now, bear in mind, this is all despite the fact that for the last 30 years, Dwayne Keefe D. Davis has made all of his money saying that he was in the car that night. And not just that he was in the car that night, that he was the Southside Compton Crips shot caller and is the one who made the decision to go forward with this move after allegedly Sean P. Diddy Combs paying them $1 million for the unaliving of Tupac and Suge Knight. Suge Knight, of course, survived. Now, one thing that you have to bear in mind is that Keefe D isn't always the most reliable person when it comes to, well, really anything. So we're going to have to see what happens. Now, at this point, I don't know what decision the judge is going to make. The trial is slated to start next month in March, and so I guess we'll just have to wait and see. This is definitely something, as you guys know, that I am following very, very, very closely. So make sure that follow button if you want to stay up to date. And, of course, drop your thoughts about this latest development. Keefe D claiming that he was never there in the first place, despite all these years saying that he was. Drop your thoughts about that in the comments.